Guys, today I'm showing you how to set up recording tasks in Asana. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So first, log into Asana account and open it in your browser. Now head over to the task that you want to repeat or make it a recording tasks. For example, I'm going to choose the task 1, click on it, and here on the right part of the screen, find the due date and assignee. So the assignee is the person or is task is assigned to. And you find here the due date. Click on the due date here, and you'll find the option under the calendar. Click on it, set to repeat. For example, I'm going to choose Monday, so every Monday of the month this task will be repeated and will be recurring task. So we can choose also Tuesday. Every Tuesday this task could be repeated, Wednesday, whatever depends on your needs. So this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done, and you learned in few steps how to set the recurring tasks in Asana. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this guide helped you, and see you in the next video.